Good morning, and my name is Deven Singh Yadav, and today I am here to take this session about how to make Python enjoyable, how to teach Python through games, so that students enjoy instead of getting bored. The students should feel some excitement and they should feel confident. So we can teach a lot of concepts like loops, decision making, and various concepts using games. Before that, let's go through this quote. Learning is not about being perfect, it's about being curious. Turn every challenge into a game and watch the fun unfold. So, the overall purpose of my session is that students should not feel bored, they should learn as well as enjoy. Why should we learn Python through games? Because it makes the learning interactive, because games provide the feedback. Whenever you are playing game on the computers are providing you the feedback also. So students feel engaged and they feel curious, so you get a real time feedback. Also, while making games you try to implement various concepts of Python, which make the students feel confident that they have learned something, they have understood a particular concepts. The students feel fun and they are engaged, and it also encourages logical thinking so that students can solve the problems in a creative way. We'll start with a game, that rock paper scissors, that is very popular game. All the students play this game where rock paper scissors, the students play by their hand gestures. So we will make this game in Python. While making this game, students will learn how to implement if else, what will be the user input, and based on the input we can determine the winner. So the students will learn some conditionals in this game, if else. Students will learn about random library that will be used for the computer's generation of rock or paper or scissor. Also how the output is taken in this game. So this is a code walkthrough uh, in rock paper scissors. We start the game, we get a player input. Player can input either rock or paper or scissor. The computer will generate its own random choice, and then we can compare the choices. If it's tie, suppose the computer generates rock and student is taking rock, so it's a tie. If player wins, display you win. If player loses, display computer wins, and then we can end the game. Okay, let's see code, Python code. So this is the Python game, rock paper scissors. It is asking for the choice, rock paper or scissors. So if I take rock, computer chose scissors, so I win and the program ends. The code for the program is, this is the random library has been imported, then choices have been made, and then we can take player choice input, then the computer generates the random choice, then we display the messages, both the choices, and then we determine. So here you can see that we are teaching the concept of if else, how the decision making is made. And if you can see in the code, this line number, okay, let me show the line numbers. At line number 17, if player choice equals computer choice, so we print it's a tie. L if player choice equals rock and computer choice equals scissors, or player choice equals paper and computer choice equals to rock, or player choice scissors and computer choice is paper, so you display you win, otherwise we display computer win. So you can see by implementing this if else in a game, student is enjoying as well as he is learning the if else concept. Now let's see, we can make it more interesting. So what are the benefits of game-based learning? Yeah, so what are the benefits of game-based learning? That it encourages experimentation, hands-on learning for the students, feedback, instant feedback. It makes the concepts fun and engaging. It reduces monotony of programming. Suppose if we make a student create a program about a particular concept, if you engage him in a game, the student will definitely enjoy it. And we can easily expand. We can add more complexity in the game. Let's see how we can add more complexity in the game in the rock, paper, scissors that I have just done. So the next version of the rock, paper, scissors game is this one. Let me run this code. Okay, it asks me to enter rock, paper or scissors, so I enter rock. Computer chose rock, it's a tie. So it is asking now, do you want to play again, yes or no? So the loop is also introduced in this program. I enter yes, enter your choice, I take paper, computer chose rock, you win. So again it will ask, do you want to play again? So in this program, the concept of loop also has been introduced. So you can see we started with if else, then we introduced loop, and then we can make it more complex. So the concepts can be taught as well as the students are enjoying it. I pick no. Another version I have, that is, yeah, this is rock, paper, scissors game. In this game, how many games? It is asking in the beginning, how many games would you like to play? Say I 5. Game 1 of 5. Enter your choice. I take rock. Computer chose scissors, so I win this round. Now this is game 2. I take paper. It's a tie. Now it's game 3. I take scissors. Computer wins this round. Now this is round 4. Again rock. It's a tie. And now game 5, the final game, that is scissors I am taking. So total games were played 5, player wins 1, computer wins 2. The computer is the overall winner. So in this game, you can see the leaderboard has also been introduced. So my message is that we start with a game, and then you can add more and more complexity to introduce more and more concepts of any part of programming. In this case, we are learning the Python programming. So as I told that there are several benefits of game-based learning. There are so many games we can create. Guess the number, where computer generates a random number, then user is asked to enter the number between a particular range, say 1 to 100. Then the computer provides a feedback. The number input by the user is below the generated random number or above the generated random number. So in that game, we can also introduce the if else and loops, and we can add more complex things. So we can teach several concepts, and at the same time the concepts are well received by the students and they enjoy the programming. That is the main purpose of the that should be the main purpose of learning. There are so many games which can be created: tic-tac-toe, hangman, snake game, maze solver, so many games. So the overall purpose of this session was to make you feel, to make you aware that instead of making learning a monotonous task, we can create it in an interesting experience for the teachers as well as for the students. And the students feel engaged and they will try to uh, come to your classes, because they will feel the energy, they will feel the confidence, they will feel the excitement. So keep enjoying. Thank you.